Eggshells in the compost bin. If you only lightly break them down, they don't decompose even after 6 months. So what I normally do when I use the eggs, when I break them, I dry them like this for a day or so, and then I put them in a fridge. And when I collect a lot of them, I actually blend them. So you just break them. You can also use mortar and pestle, but that takes a long time. This is a lot faster. A lot faster. So, it's all ready. This is very basic, very cheap blender, nothing special, and it breaks it down very nicely. Look at that beautiful powder. It takes less than a minute. After a couple of minutes, the dust has settled, so you can open it up. You can see how beautiful and fine this is, and you just chuck it in the composting and you wouldn't even know it was there. It's beautiful and ready for your balcony composting bin.